Evening, folks. Tonight's video will feature half-inch ratchets. We have a 24-inch snap-on pair-headed ratchet. Very nice ratchet. They are thicker in the beam than the older ones. This also is a snap-on swivel-headed ratchet. I've had this one for a number of years. Along with its mate, the straight pair-headed ratchet, about a 15-inch. And almost everybody should have one of these, the shorter snap-on S832 ratchets. This ratchet is really old, it's from the 50s. The beam style pair-headed ratchet. An older, probably 80s pair-headed ratchet. That's what I have for snap-on ratchets. We have an older Craftsman ratchet, made in the USA. A Crescent pair-headed ratchet. Quite fine tooth, actually. About a 26-inch Power Force ratchet. Performs surprisingly well for its price point. On the round-headed ratchet side, we have a Artisan round-headed ratchet from the 50s, I would think. I have an SK Wayne ratchet, back when they actually had the Wayne as part of the SK. That'd be an older one. And of course I have an old Proto, also from the 70s. And a Bonnie round-headed ratchet. More than likely that ratchet is from the 60s. Probably about a 36 tooth. Anyhow, you can never have enough half-inch ratchets. I appreciate the support. And thanks for watching. Good night.